Here are some of the mind-blowing facts about Australia. Imagine waking up to the sound of a kangaroo bouncing right outside your window. That's not a rare occurrence in Australia, a land of surprises and peculiarities. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Australia, revealing some of its most mind-boggling facts. As our virtual plane descends into this vast and vibrant land, let's rewind time to over 60,000 years ago. Yes, you heard it right. Australia is home to one of the world's oldest living cultures, the Aboriginal people. They have been the custodians of this land, preserving its rich biodiversity and crafting a unique cultural tapestry. Their timeless tales and art forms echo across the red desert sands, whisper in the rustling eucalyptus leaves, and ripple in the cerulean waves that kiss Australia's golden shores. And as we journey through Australia, their legacy is an inescapable part of the narrative. So buckle up as we set off on an exciting adventure into the heart of Australia. Australia is the only continent in the world that is governed as a single country. Yes, it's a continent, a country, and an island all rolled into one. Now, isn't that something? Transitioning from the unique geographical aspect, let's dive into one of Australia's most famous natural wonders, the Great Barrier Reef. This breathtaking underwater paradise stretches over 2,300 kilometers, housing thousands of species of colorful fish, mollusks, starfish, turtles, dolphins, and sharks. It's even visible from space. So if you're ever in Australia, don't miss the opportunity to snorkel or scuba dive in this vibrant aquatic ecosystem. But remember, it's not just a tourist attraction, it's a delicate and crucial part of our planet's biodiversity. Moving on, Australia boasts the world's longest fence, known as the dingo fence, or dog fence. Originally built in the 1880s to keep rabbits out of productive land, it stretches over a staggering 5,614 kilometers. That's longer than the Great Wall of China. Transitioning from the dingo fence, let's explore further into Australia's heartland, known as the Outback. This remote and arid region, which covers a massive 6.5 million square kilometers, is one of the largest untouched places left on Earth. It's not just barren land. The Outback is a thriving ecosystem home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, including kangaroos, emus, and a variety of reptiles. Even though it's sparsely populated by humans, the Outback is an integral part of Australia's identity and culture. It's a place of extreme weather, stark beauty, and fascinating wildlife. So next time you think of Australia, don't forget the vast and mysterious Outback. Next on the list, Australia is home to the largest population of wild camels. You heard it right, camels. Contrary to popular belief, camels are not native to Australia. They were brought over in the 19th century from Arabia, India, and Afghanistan for transport and construction during the colonization of the central and western parts of Australia. Today, their population is estimated to be around 300,000. As we take a breather from the wild camels and brace ourselves for the venomous inland taipan, let's hop into another fascinating subject, the kangaroo. Australia's iconic symbol, the kangaroo, is unique to the continent. With over 60 different species of kangaroos, Australia has more kangaroos than people, with a population that can reach up to 50 million. These marsupials are a sight to behold in their natural habitat, whether they're grazing in the vast grasslands or bounding at high speed. So while the camels and snakes might surprise you, the kangaroo remains quintessentially Australian. Now here's a fact that might send chills down your spine. Australia is home to the world's most venomous snake, the inland taipan. Its venom is so potent that one bite can kill 100 grown men. Transitioning from the dangers of the wild, let's appreciate the beauty of Australia's unique flora. This continent is home to more than 24,000 species of native plants, including the iconic eucalyptus trees and the vibrant warata flowers. These species not only contribute to the biodiversity but also play a crucial role in the culture and lifestyle of the locals. So while exploring the vast outback or strolling along the coast, don't forget to take a moment to admire these natural wonders. And finally, the most surprising fact: Australia is so large that it experiences 3 time zones, yet it has a smaller population than Texas, despite being about 11 times larger. The majority of Australia's 25 million people live within 50 kilometers of the coast, leaving the interior, or outback, sparsely populated. Australia's cuisine is a delightful fusion of influences from the Indigenous people and various immigrants. From the classic Australian barbecue to the iconic Vegemite on toast and the sweet delight of pavlova, Australia's food scene is as unique as its wildlife. And don't forget the bush tucker. Foods like kangaroo, emu, and crocodile are not uncommon in the Outback. Australia's wine industry is also world-renowned, with regions like Barossa Valley and Hunter Valley producing some of the world's best wines. Whether you're a foodie or a wine lover, Australia has something to tantalize your taste buds. Australia is a land of contrasts and extremes. It's a continent, a country, and an island. It houses the world's longest fence, the largest population of wild camels, and the most venomous snake. Despite its massive size, it has a smaller population than Texas. These are just a few of the mind-blowing facts that make Australia one of the most interesting places on Earth. For more mind-blowing facts, please subscribe. You never know what you might learn next.